Place-based integrated services, in some ways, the linker network and specifically the local linker networks are a reflection of or an example of place-based integrated services. The thinking that underpins and the learning that underpins place-based integrated services is richly embedded in the development of the local linker network and the kind of thinking that's gone into how to run and the benefits that can be derived from operating from a place-based integrated service approach to the work that we do. What we've provided here within the playbook and on the website is some context around what place-based integrated services are, why you might do this, and what the kind of thinking is behind it. Being part of the linker network and being part of a local linker network, you could well say that you are already participating in place-based integrated services. However, within your community, you may see that there is a need for a more focused, more directed approach to place-based integrated services. For example, you might see that there is a hotspot section of your community where there is a significantly high need that's not being met in a effective way, or indeed that there are a number of service providers who are not working in a collaborative way, and as a result the people in that community are not getting the kind of impact that we would hope or expect from the service provision we're providing. And that would be an opportunity to say, hey, what if we got together and started working in a place-based integrated way for these people, for these families, for this community, to see a greater outcome and a greater impact. And if that's something that you want to do, you would want to start speaking with some of those other providers, explore their willingness to participate in a place-based integrated approach, and importantly, you'd want to familiarize yourself with the various tenets and thinking that underpins all of that. So we have provided a document here that gives the key principles and elements, but importantly, we would point to Erase's Better Systems and Better Chances publication that speaks in more depth to place-based integrated services. This is a new area of work in our sector. It's an exciting space to be working in, and certainly an evolving space. And I think there's more work being done by Western Sydney Community Forum and others. And it'll be interesting, and members of the local linker network will want to continue to pay attention to what's happening with the thinkings and approaches to place-based integrated services, because no doubt it will continue to inform the work that we do in the linker network.